Ahoy, pirates! Today you will develop your secret map where you will hide your buried treasure. You will make spelling, capitalization, and neatness corrections. Then you will start your final draft where you will color with colored pencils. Today, you need to start by making sure you finish any work you didn't get to yesterday when it comes to your map. So take a look at your Part 1 treasure map checklist and make sure that you have each of these pieces on your map and that you make any corrections, maybe spelling, capitalization, or neatness corrections. You also need to make sure that your island isn't too small. Some of you had made like really small landforms. Make sure that as you move on to your final draft that you make those adjustments and make those landforms and maybe your island like slightly larger. Then today you're working on Part 2, coloring your map. So you got a new piece of white paper. So your job is to take all of that great work and those great corrections from your draft and create your final draft map on that new piece of white paper. It should be just as neat, and remember, if it's not 4th grade quality, you will have to redo it, so just make sure you take your time and do your very best work. So today you're working on making this new draft, making the corrections, and making sure those corrections are on your new draft, and then you can color. It's really important that you use colored pencils when you color. Do not use markers because it becomes really messy and we can't read what you're writing. All right, so let's take a look here. Just one other thing. All right, so you can turn to this page in your Pirate Treasure map instructions. You can see I've turned to Part 2 here, color your map. So first you want to think about how to color your map. What color should the ocean be? What color should you use on your landforms? And the colors need to be realistic. Do not color over words. You make a circle around your words so you do not color over them, and it would be hard to read your map if you color over your words. And if we can't read your map, you're going to have to redo it. So please be really careful with this. Next, you want to color your landforms and map key first. Make sure your symbols in the map key match your map in shape and color. And so if you have like a mountain range and you color like the peaks of the mountain white, but then the actual mountain like a brown or a darker gray color, then you would have those same colors in your key and on your map. So whatever those mountain ranges look like, they should look the same between your key and your map. Finally, you want to color the water and other parts of your island on your map, still being careful to make sure you put a circle around your words. All right, have a great day today.